Here's the board to the 1995 Magnavox TV that's been working flawlessly for the past few weeks. And I was checking some caps, just putting one back in, and I just barely touched this one, and the lead rips off. It's 250 volt at 47 microfarad. So this just EOL'd in my hand. And this TV was working just fine, besides the jail bars in the picture. Look at that. And it was working just fine, besides the previously mentioned failure. It wasn't really a failure, but it was an annoyance. There it is. So yeah, allegedly they say a cap by the flyback is what you replace to get rid of the jail bars, and I've done that twice and it didn't work. Maybe this one will work, because this one's actually totally dead. Well, we can't test it. Anyway, another video coming soon about the TV I just picked up at an estate sale.